Hey Siri, let's roast battle.
So you can lose again?
You are so fat, the only thing you wanted for Christmas was to see your feet.
Are you dumb? I have no feet.
You don't?
Boy, you are so dumb. If I knocked on your forehead, you could hear an echo.
Siri, you're so dumb that when you saw a toy dog, you called animal control.
You are so fat. When you get in an elevator, it has to go down.
You're so dumb you brought a spoon to the Super Bowl.
You are so fat. When you sit on the beach, you make sandpaper. You are so dumb. They found your brain at a thrift store.
What?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Did I stutter when I roasted you?
Yo, that's harsh. Like the video if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.